Welcome to Ja Lifestyle. Today we will be speaking on the new packages introduced, and there are some good news also and bad news also. What are good news we'll see, and what are bad news also we'll see in these packages. The first package is Lifestyle Activation Package. It is €18. If you want to get a MLB income, you need to activate this €18. In this only your MLB income is activated, but you will not get money. But as soon as your downlines also activate with €18, then you will be getting money from each year. You will getting €1 from each and every member from your downline. They also have to activate this €18. That is called MLB. It's not that you have taken €18 means MLB started. No, your income will start when your downline also takes this €18 package, and then from there you can generate €1 from per person. And what is second? This is a very good news. Ja Lifestyle debit card. You have to purchase this for €20. First, people were finding very difficult to withdraw money from their wallet. Jalai was transferring the money, but our bankers were not allowing them to get money because they were very suspicious. Why it's best? This big amount are coming in the accounts. So they were very suspicious. They were not transferring the money to everyone's account. So each person had to go 3-4 times to the bank. Then they were getting money. So it was taking the things were taking around 15 to 20 days for money transferring in the account. So Jala shall talk. Let us take our own debit card. In the debit card, you don't need of any bank account. Only whatever amount that is there in your wallet. From the debit card, you can withdraw money from any ATM. You just put your PIN number and withdraw whatever money is in your wallet. So this is a very good thing. You have to just give €20 and purchase this debit card. But for debit card, you have to put a right address while purchasing your debit card, because it shouldn't go on wrong hands. So go through a Google map and put a right address, and it should come in your own hand. So this is a very good news for the Ja Lifestyle debit card. Now these two also good news. Ja Lifestyle sponsorship pack, but this €100 package is only for little days. Some days means company already given a newsletter. There are only 5,000 package in this. It is almost get over. It will get over. So you need to be very fast purchasing. What is this €100 package? In this package, your MLB is activated. MLB income means, say if you have taken the €100 package now today, so this will be valid for this month also and till next month also, till January 31st. This MLB is activated, means €18 package is activated till 31st July, 31st January. And second is you get 3%. What if, as we see in here, they were giving you advertising package for referral package. In this, and that per person, when they see the ads, you were getting money. But in this is different thing. In this 3% will help you in Ja Lifestyle. These 3 people will come shown in your direct line, and these 3 people will help you to create MLB level income. MLB level income. So people were finding very difficult to create team. These people will create a team, and then you will be generating MLB income. So this is a very good package. So take it fast, because this package is only 5,000 numbers. As soon as this is over, they will stop it, and you will also get 200% euro. Means if you take €100 package, you will get 200 crypto bonus. But this is valid till 7. Crypto bonus is valid only till 17th December. After that, you will not get this bonus, and this pack also may stop, because 5,000 packages are only available. Okay, so be very fast in purchasing this. And then second is €300 lifestyle bonus. In this also company gives 10 lifestyle programs, sponsorship, referrals. This 10% will come directly in Ja Lifestyle account. These people will help you to create MLB level income. These people will create a team for you. These 10 people who find difficult to create team. So these people will help you to create a team, and this activation is valid for 3 months. If you take today, January, February, March, to 3 months, this is your MLB is also activated, and you also get 200% crypto bonus, means you will get 600 crypto bonus. So this also is valid till 17th 12 crypto bonus. After that you will not get crypto bonus, and the package is also 5,000 are available numbers. As soon as this package is all sold out, then this package also will stop. So if you are finding difficult to create a team, so buy this 300 euro sponsorship pack, and these 10 people also will help you to they will see advertising for lifetime. So from there also you will earn money, and on 300 euro also these 3 people will see advertising in a year. And from that advertising also you will earn money. So this 100 euro and 300 very good package, better buy fast. But crypto bonus is available only till 17th December, and these 2 packages are only available 5,000 each. As soon as these 5,000 are sold out, this also package will be stopped. But crypto you have to take before 17/12 only. After that crypto bonus is stopped. What is this JA Lifestyle program? In this only you get 30 euro 3 PV vouchers. Then 3 PV vouchers you will see this way 3 vouchers you will see from these 3 vouchers will come in your account, and these 3 vouchers will help you to make personal verification for any person in your downline. Means you think that way that 10 T vouchers are like is in your bank only. Money is with you only. Means you have this 30 euro per money is with you only. As soon as anyone wants to buy 10 euro personal verification, you can give this voucher to him and take the money from him. So and you also get 200% crypto, means you will get 60 crypto bonus. This is also valid. Crypto bonus is valid for 17th December. After that only 3 PV vouchers is pack will be available. After that is 50 euro. In this also you get only 5 PV vouchers, which will help you to activate personal verification for any person in your downline. This also is in your valid only. You can use any time in a year or 2 years. It is in your valid. As soon as anyone wants to do personal verification, you can send a voucher to him, and then it will be used. The money is with you only. As soon as you sell that voucher, you will get money back to you, and you get 200% PV voucher, this crypto bonus also. So it means you will get 100 crypto bonus. In 30 euro you will get 60 crypto bonus. So this is also valid till 17th December. After that you will not get crypto bonus, only this PV vouchers package will be available, 5 vouchers. Then you have 100 euro package. In this also you will get 10 PV vouchers, which will help you to make you can do the personal verification of your below team, downline team. This also 10 vouchers are in your wallet only. If you sell any one voucher to them, you will get the money from that person, and it is with you only by paying 100 vouchers also, 100 euro also, and you get also 200% crypto. In this you get 200 euro crypto bonus. This is also crypto bonus is valid only till 17th December. After that this also will stop. Crypto bonus will stop. Then is 300 euro. In this you get 330 PV vouchers. In this you can activate your downline team for doing personal verification. Means each voucher is about 10 euro. So you can activate any person from your downline. Your money, that 300 euro, 30 vouchers are in your account only. As you use it, you'll get your money back. So it is in your bank account only. Think that way only. It is with you only, and you also get 200 crypto bonus. Means you'll get 600 crypto bonus. This is all. The crypto bonus is valid only till 17 December. So take this benefit. And one more advantage of this is, good thing is that you'll get, means if you have 10 people in your downline, say 1,000 euro per year, they are seeing ad also. So you will get 1,500 euro, means you will get 50% extra. Instead of 1,000 euro, you will get 1,500 euro from each person. Means 10%, 1,500 into 10 people. So that 50% bonus you will get extra from people who see direct advertising program. And this is also help you to create extra money from advertising. And in this the two packs that I sent of €100 new and 300 new, this 3% will also see advertising in year, and that also will get extra money, extra income. And €300 of 10-year lifestyle program, in that also you'll get 10 people who will see year ads, and that also you'll get extra money. So these are for lifetime. These 10 people and 3 people are for lifetime, for seeing advertising also and for Jai Life also. These people are Jai for, in Jai Life they'll create a team for you, €100 and €300, and they will also see ads in year. So take this package. And the first there were and the bad news is there. First in €50 we were getting 5 sponsorship advertising pack, that is stopped. The other was €100 where you were getting 20% advertising referral, that sponsorship that also is stopped. And the third was €300, in that you were getting 60%. The person was seeing ads, 60% was seeing, and that income you are getting, that also is stopped. So that is the bad news. The TV packages are stopped. €50, €100 and €3 of advertising sponsorship pack, that is stopped. So take note of this. Only this much packages are available. You can see in your Jai Life account and click on activation. You can see this, all these things, €18, €20. Only this much packages are available. But crypto is available only till 17th December. After that the crypto bonus will not be available. Only the packages will be there. Only up to €100 and €300. That also the package can stop as soon as the 5,000 people have enrolled in this. Then this also package will stop. So if you are finding difficult to create team in Jai Life, to better buy this €100 and 300 package, where you get 3 and 100 people, 10 people under you who will create a team and also create MLB team income for you. Thank you.